Hey, Plant Pals, Mike the Cat Gardener, and it's February the 17th. I have, I don't want to say conquered the pests, but they are no more in my house. So I'm back to growing things. And luckily, like I said, fortunately in the past that they weren't able to get over this, so this has been going for uh, since December. This is my dazzling blue kale that I've been harvesting on off of pretty much every single day. And then, like in a day's time, they grow up and start touching the light, but when you look down the center, there's more new growth. And then it turns into these beautiful leaves with the beautiful purple blue coloring. So that's just an update on that, and I will be back. Here is one of my I-Do units, and it's been about a week since I started all these plants that you're going to see. So I'm getting a lot of growth and progress for just being a week's time. This is dill. These are just AeroGarden dill. Well, this one's from AeroGarden. This one's from seed that I put in a you grow your own. So this is dill seed I had. So I've got a dill plant here and a dill plant here. And like I say, I never want to overcrowd. I could put things in the center here and whatnot, but I'm not going to because I've got 3 tall plants in the back, which will probably be moved around. And the only reason why I'm growing the dill is because the dill will grow straight up, grow tall and straight, and hopefully won't interfere with the plants. If they do, I'll just move them out. But I'm not going to count on it having multiple plants here. This is a jalapeno plant. This was a AeroGarden Pick Your Pods pepper kit. So I have some jalapenos here. There's 2. You can see there's 2 plants here. I'm going to pluck one out, put it in something else. That's like I've done the secret of AeroGarden before, where they put multiple seeds in a pod so that they ensure germination. This is the tomato plant. Let's see if I can. This is the Golden Harvest. I really enjoy that. I don't think I've ever shown the Golden Harvest, but it's really pretty yellow-orange tomatoes. They're pretty tasty. I like them. And I believe that's another jalapeno back there. So that's what I do here. And as you can see, there's no pests on this strip. The strip has been sitting there for almost a month and a half now, and I have no pests. So that's really great. So here's my Zimhu unit that used to have the orange spice jalapeno, and I'm growing pumpkin spice jalapeno plants in it. Those were seeds gifted to me from F.R. Humphrey. Check out her channel. And I'm doing a time lapse. So from seed to harvest time lapse on that. All right, be right back. Here is my restarted lemon balm. And remember, it took 21 days for it to germinate last time. So there's nothing going on down in here. But I won't take it out yet because it might come up. But I do have germination here. So I have early germination there, so that's pretty cool. And I have early germination there, so that's only been a week. Week here, week here. This one, we'll see. And that's just the way it happens sometimes. And underneath that rack, I have sage. Nothing's germinating in that one, but I'll give it time. It's only been a week. Now the rest of them have sage. Down here is parsley. I'm seeing little babies poking up. There's definitely one there. There's one there. And those 2 in the back there. And right next to that, I have oregano. And there are little babies there. And I'm going to keep the domes on until they almost touch the dome. That ensures that they're strong and healthy. And I'll take the domes off before they start touching them, because you don't want to have the moisture touching the leaves. And then I'll let them just start to grow. And as they grow, I'll raise the light up. As you can see, I have the light down low. So that's another thing. You want to make sure that you have your light as low to the plant as possible, because you want to ensure that they don't stretch and reach for the light and become leggy. And as they get taller, I like to keep my plants, because these are cool LEDs, full spectrum. They don't get hot, so they don't really burn the plant unless the plant leaf is directly touching the light. I keep them about 2 inches above the plant or so that they don't get leggy. All right, be right back. Here is the system that I saved that the pump died on. I'm growing fish peppers in it. So far, not much is germinating in these, but we have one that's being a trooper, growing strong right there. And I'm not sure if there's anything growing in there yet, but we'll see. But even if I just, this is just an experiment to grow in this system. I'm pretty sure they might grow better in other systems. We'll see. But like I said, peppers can take up to 21 days to germinate, so I'm not going to pull it out yet unless I start seeing fuzz. Oh, there's something in there. As you can see. Let me see. If I can look on it. Yeah, there's a little something going on in there. So yeah, I never want to just preemptively pull them just because I see one growing and it's been a week and nothing else is growing. It could be another almost 3 weeks to be sure. So there's that. Right next to it, I have Fresno, which is one of my favorite peppers. There's absolutely nothing going on in these, and the Fresnos always take forever. And again, sometimes they instantly germinate, and other times it takes a while. So we'll see. And however much time, if nothing happens, I will pull them and put something else. We'll replant them, start them over, or even start a different method, paper towel method, because maybe they don't like having this much moisture, which is weird because that's how they were started. That's how they were grown, the last plants. But sometimes the seeds in the plants can get finicky. So always have options, always have backups. All right, next to that is my lemon basil. The other one was lemon balm, which is mint. This is lemon basil, which is part of the basil family. I'm going to go take that cap off there. There's also one in the back. I'm going to let him grow up a little bit more. So that was started on the 5th. So I'm getting really nice germination. This is the lipstick pepper. The seeds I was gifted from T-Nog, the New Orleans gardener, Miss Linda. The last plant got killed and ravaged by the aphids. There are no more aphids, so this one has an excellent chance of growing healthy and giving me lipstick peppers. Again, I'm keeping them close for now. As they grow, I will move them out. All right. Be right back. All right. Over here, move my Great Lazy Days Ahead mug. Right here I have Orange Hat. I started them on the 2/6/23. And there's, oops, if I can show it, there's my Orange Hat tomato plant. Might be even more than one down there. We'll have to see. But yeah, I love Orange Hat tomato. It's a fun plant to grow. Grows fast. And the tomatoes taste great. They have a nice tomato flavor. On the rack below it, I just started this one today, so I don't expect anything to happen. This is a thyme. This one is, you see here, I'm going to have to turn it so I can see it too. Genovese basil. I think that's not sure what that is on the back there. It's probably another herb. So I can't really see. And this one is Thai basil. Okay. So this is Thai basil, and this one is mint. And the mint is not coming up because mint can take, like I said, with the other ones, mint can take a month. So I'm not going to really care too much about that. And then I still have some, I've been, like I said, resetting things, so I haven't really grown anything else here yet. Again, this is just plant leaf material that fell from this plant here. There's no bugs, which is awesome. So I haven't decided what I'm going to grow on this shelf yet. Probably start a bunch of things for the fun of it. This right here is one of the squash plants that decided to grow for no reason. It's just sitting in a vitamin bottle until I decide where to put it. So it's kind of a little bit stunted right now, but if I put it in a bigger container, it'll grow bigger. And here are, and this used to be my thyme container that is all the rest of the squash. There's 6 of them, 6 squash plants growing here. Which I'm probably going to do is move them, 3 of them at least, down here. And probably drill a whole another protein container I have, so I'll have 4 large squash plants over here, or I might move them to my large deep water culture tub. I haven't decided yet. So anyway, that's a quick look at what's going on the, was it the 16th today? 17th. All right. So February 17th. And that's what I have going on. And then up here is just nothing. Again, I was going to plant the thyme, the thyme seeds when I move the plants out of here, because I like the taste of thyme. It's a good herb. And this is just a cracky jar with a sleeve over it to block the light. Haven't decided what to grow on that yet. I got 2 more of those, so yeah, I'm pretty excited. There's my catchy bug catcher, which hasn't done any work because there's no bugs in here. But yeah, this is just giving me a chance to reset. There's different plugs and cables. So it's giving me a chance to reset and decide on what I'm growing. And I've been organizing. Oh, see, there's another one of my containers. I haven't used that yet. There's some seeds I'm saving. Those are Fresno pepper seeds I got from the store. I don't even know if that's a Fresno, because they always say Fresno just because it's a red pepper, so who knows. But I liked it. It tasted good, so I'm saving the seeds from it. And there's some more squash seeds under there. The Komboka squash, which is a Japanese squash that I find very delicious. It tastes like a cross between pumpkin and sweet potato, but more on the sweet potato side. Like the pie, like the sweetness, it's really good. But the reason why I have it covered is because it stinks. Yeah, for some reason the squash seeds, I thought tomato seeds smelled bad when you try to save them. But, whew, that squash, funky. But, okay, anyway. And I've got room down here for more stuff. I've been organizing. I'll probably have that video come out before the organizing revamp video before this one. So, you've probably already seen it. And I'm not done yet, so I'm still going. So I'm being slightly less chaotic, but I'm still having fun. And of course, chaotic things always happen because that's how it goes. All right. Any comments, questions, leave in the comments section. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Have an awesome day.